Coach Chot. Yeah, medyo may motivation ba to banish yung ghost ng 2011? Dun sa Grand Slam against San Miguel ba?
Nalimutan ko na nga. Believe it or not, and people, hindi ko talaga inisip yung Grand Slam eh. Even up to now, when I come to coach, I coach what's in front of me. Even in our team discussions, we really never talk about winning a championship. We talk about being the hardest working, best conditioned team. If we do that, then the winning will follow. So yun ang approach ko. So I'll just do my best, take it every game, every conference, and before we know it, we're here. So hindi ko talaga iniisip eh. So to answer your question, 2011 is really ancient history for me. It's not even in my consciousness. This tournament, this finals is going to be nice to win on its own merits, not because of any past experience.